Hello, we are discussing about GATE 2004 ECE paper, and this question is related to analog circuits. In a full wave rectifier using two ideal diodes, VDC and VM are the DC and peak values of the voltage respectively across a resistive load. If PIV is the peak inverse voltage of the diode, then the appropriate relationships for this rectifier are: what are the relationship between VDC, VM and PIV for the given full wave rectifier with two ideal diodes? The right option for this question is nothing but B. VDC is equal to 2 times of Vm by pi, and peak inverse voltage is 2 times of Vm. Okay, so you must know what is the meaning of PIV. The abbreviation for PIV is given as peak inverse voltage. The meaning of this one is nothing but, okay, this is PIV is nothing but PIV of the diode. So peak inverse voltage, peak, it says that one, it is maximum. This is the maximum voltage across the diode whenever the diode is under reverse bias. Inverse implies nothing but reverse bias. So peak inverse voltage is going to be the voltage across the diode whenever it is under reverse bias. As peak, we are saying this is the maximum voltage across the diode under reverse bias. Okay, for the given circuit, the PIV is going to be specifying how much is going to the maximum voltage that may appear across the diode under reverse bias, so that the diode what you are going to use should tolerate that much voltage. Okay, so that it should not break down at that voltage level. So while choosing a diode for the given full wave rectifier circuit, you must specify, first of all you must check whether it is going to be having the breakdown voltage is greater than 2 Vm or not. Okay, so to answer such type of questions, what you must know is nothing but you must know the comparison between rectifiers. There are three major rectifiers are available: half wave rectifier, full wave rectifier and bridge rectifier. Okay, so we will see the comparison. From that comparison directly we can say the answer. So this is what half wave, full wave and bridge rectifiers. Okay, these are the circuit diagrams, and next we are going for the comparison. So circuit diagrams for half wave, full wave and bridge rectifier. Then these are the parameters we are going to compare for both those three. So here we are interested in, okay, DC voltage. This is what the interested one. Third one, average DC voltage, okay, VDC or EDC, that is EM by pi. So in case of us it is Vm by pi for half wave rectifier, 2 Vm by pi for the full wave and bridge rectifiers. So the answer for this one is nothing but this one. Okay, and next PIV, PIV rating of the diode, that is 10th one. PIV rating of the diode is nothing but Vm. Okay, Vm for half wave rectifier, Vm for half wave rectifier, 2 Vm for full wave rectifier, and again it is Vm for bridge rectifier. So this is what we are interested in. So average value of the DC voltage is nothing but 2 Vm by pi, and PIV is nothing but 2 Vm. So the right answer for this question is B. VDC is 2 times of Vm by pi, PIV is 2 Vm.